My name's Dominic Leong. I'm Kanaka Maoli in diaspora. I'm an architect here in New York. I founded a practice called Leong Leong with my brother Chris in 2009. And our work focuses on the intersections of art and living and thinking about how we can align architecture as a social, aesthetic, and ecological practice. So we were working between Sean being in Hawaii, me being in New York, quite a bit over Zoom. Key collaborators were working with a structural engineer here in New York, but also Sean bringing into the conversation expert lashers for hale building, cultural practitioners. So it was really a kind of interesting collaboration across time and space on the continent to Hawaii, and how different types of expertise started to weave together over the course of the 2 years. Eventually, we arrived at a design for the hale, which we had fabricated and shipped to Hawaii. It was really an opportunity to see how the whole design concept was able to come to life, and in that process really start to connect a broader range of collaborators who came into the project and cultural practitioners, our site host in YPO, and it was just an incredible process because it's a conversation that started between Sean and myself 2 years ago, but also me starting to kind of collaborate with Sean, someone who's been working on this type of work for over 10 to 15 years in Hawaii. And so I was really grateful to have this opportunity to collaborate with him and learn a foundation of knowledge that was not part of my education or my professional experience. So I really came into this project just trying to learn as much as possible from Sean, from folks in Hawaii who are doing so much cultural recovery and stewardship of land. And I think from my point of view, being based in New York was really an opportunity to start to understand how architecture can really work in service of cultural resurgence in Hawaii, which is something, again, like Sean's been really focused on for quite a bit of time. So in a lot of ways, I'm catching up to this work and really thinking about how we are able to bring together different expertise and different ways of collaborating across time and space, across cultures, across contexts, and how the kind of reciprocal relationships that unfold from that are something that has been really incredible to be a part of, and ultimately just really thinking about how my role as an architect can offer something back in Hawaii, and I think collaborating with Sean has been an amazing opportunity to do that. And by extension, a whole network of relationships that are part of the community in Hawaii.